Our company has been around for more than 75 years now. Our products are found in most of the houses in India and worldwide, yet we are not recognized by the most. And that was exactly our pain point. Our story is legendary, but our products are humble and sometimes forgetful. So we decided to tell our story, the vision of our board of directors, experiences of our employees, and more importantly, taking our customers behind the scene. All of this had to be shot in minimum days, as every day is an added expense. And all of that had to be shot in Ooty, where our factory is located. After a thorough understanding of our requirement and setting out the tentative budget, as every expense in business should have return on investment. After a long search, we decided to work with Reels and Tales, as I've seen their extensive work and have also collaborated with them before.
When Karuna came to me with this project, I was very excited. I understood that this was not just a shoot of a factory, it was a shoot of their legacy. It was a story of Pony. For someone who is based in Mumbai, even the journey to Ooty was heavenly. But the problem started when we reached Ooty. We were given only 3 days to shoot an entire factory. There were multiple units manufacturing various different products. And the timing of the factory was 10 to 5. No extra hours and continuous rains. Ashish and I then tied our shoelaces and got ready with our umbrellas and raincoats to shoot the most difficult thing in our lives.
Thank God हम एक दिन पहले पहुंचे थे, तो बेसिकली हमें पता चला कि वहाँ पे कितनी बारिश होती है और ये बारिश में फैक्ट्री और ऊटी कितना अच्छा दिखता है. I was trying to fly drone, बट बारिश की वजह से वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पा रहा था. लकीली मैंने थोड़ा सा दोपहर में जब बारिश रुकी थी, आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट और मैंने ड्रोन उड़ाया. बारिश थोड़ी सी ड्रिजल हो रही थी, मस्त दिख रहा था, उसमें खो गया और मैंने पीछे देखा ही नहीं कि पेड़ है. और आई वॉज एट अ पॉइंट वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू लूज दिस ड्रोन राइट नाउ. थैंक्स टू माई स्किल्स मैंने फटाक से वो पेड़ के बीच में से निकाला जहाँ पे जितनी जगह दिख रही थी मुझे दूर से, और वो ड्रोन निकला. And wow, what a shot it was. मजा आ गया. The major part of this whole documentary was understanding ये how they are making their product sustainable और कैसे ये processes हो रहे हैं. There was an electroplating का process and many of them were telling me कि यार gas mask लगाना पड़ेगा. Like कि बहुत टाइम जाएगा, फटाक से शॉट लेना है. क्विक शूट लेके बाहर निकल गया था मैं. थोड़ा जान धोखे में डालना वाला सीन था, but it was good. The best learning part of overall this was that कि पोनी सिर्फ knitting, stitching needles नहीं बनाता है. They also make surgical needles and injections. So वो सब variety of needles देख के that was something I was shocked.
When I got the footage and I put it on my edit table, it came out to be 6 hours long. It consisted of various factory processes, the people out there, and their interviews. The interviews were itself 3 hours long, and we needed to create a 3-minute video. And that was the biggest challenge that I felt was in this project. Baki, the shoot was really good. Every process was captured in various angles, and that was a treat for me. When I put on my headphones, the beat of the machines, the sound of the rain, they all made sense, and the edit came out to be very nice. The only regret that I have is that I didn't get to visit Ooty. Maybe next time.
Honestly, I was a bit nervous about the outcome because we had shot a lot. Deciding on a single storyline would have been more than difficult. But when I finally saw the film, I knew this is exactly what I was looking for. Not just me, but everyone loved the film, right from board of directors to all the employees. I'm happy that our story is out in the world and it will touch every viewer's heart.